Hey guys, it's Colin, and in today's video I'm partnering up with xipoqix to review their bed extender / table on a 2025 Ford Maverick XL. This procedure should be the same for any Ford Mavericks. I'm going to unbox it, assemble it, demonstrate how it works as a bed extender when it's flipped on the outside and when it's flipped on the inside. I'm going to demonstrate how it can be used as a table, provide some measurements, and then provide a review. So let's get started. Here's the box. Let's get it open. It comes in this nice protective bag. Inside the bag we have the tailgate extender. Looks like there's some straps, and then there's another bag with brackets. Let's take a look at the instruction manual. These are the different pieces that it comes with. Remove the body bolts and loosen the tailgate connecting bolts. Install the bracket and secure it with the original vehicle bolt. Repeat the same process on the other side. Fully fold the tailgate extender shown in the diagram below. And then we'll attach these other pieces. So let's get it installed. Let's remove the fasteners on the left side of the vehicle. There's one down here. This is an 8mm, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. This one up here is a T50. I have the xipoqix tailgate assist. Unless you have a tailgate assist, you won't have this black bracket, but we'll need to take it off. In order to relieve tension on this cable, we'll pull this metal tab outwards, and then we can slide this over. We'll take this bracket off. Then we'll take the new bracket and install it. I'm going to put it in finger tight for now. Making sure that they're aligned, I'm going to tighten them. I'll reattach this. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Then you can take this bolt out. Now we'll put the new bracket in. Making sure that the bracket is level, we can fasten these bolts back on. I'm going to put this cable back on. Next, I'll unfold the tailgate extender. We got to press these hinges until they click on both sides. It came with 2 pairs of T-bolts, a longer one, a shorter one, and then just the ends. We'll take the M8x45s. These are the smaller ones. We're going to thread them through these holes. This hole didn't line up fully. I had to loosen this bracket again. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Luckily, this bracket did not need to be raised. Coming to the middle, we're going to take the longer T-bolt. We're going to take the T-nut on the other side and finish securing it. Same thing with the bottom. Here's the truck bed extender installed in the closed position, and it closes. This is with the tonneau cover on. Fully covers it. We can loosen these T-bolts and then flip this 180. We'll also need to retighten these once you flip it. Let's take a look at this up close. For those who are curious about dimensions, the distance from the back of the truck bed to this tailgate extender is 69 inches. The inside to inside of this tailgate extender is 44¼ inch. There's some space at the end of the tailgate. It's 8 inches. The reason why they didn't make it longer is because when you collapse it, it clears the wheel well right there. The great thing about this is that there's holes, and it did come with straps so that you can attach tools and other miscellaneous things here. They also advertise that this can become a table, so I'll show you how to do that. So take these T-bolts off. Here is your table. The dimensions of this table are 46.5 inches long by 17.25 inches wide, about 18 inches high. Just to demonstrate the usability of this table, I have a folding chair. I'm sitting down right here, and here is the bed extender. The top of the table is below my knees. I do have to hunch down a little bit in order to use it. It's taller than I thought it would be, and it's better than nothing. Especially if you're going to the picnic or going camping, this is a nice feature to have. If you disconnect the tailgate extender from the brackets, you can also store the table upright like this, and it clears the top of the truck bed. And you can put the tonneau cover back on. I'm going to show you how to collapse it. I'll take all the fasteners off. We'll push the hinges outwards. This collapses, and then this collapses. I put all the fasteners back in the bag so I don't lose them. Put the straps back in the bag too. And then we'll put this back into the bag. We'll zip it up. And that is it. Onto the review. What I like about this tailgate extender is how versatile it is. It's a tailgate extender that flips on the outside, where you get 69 inches of space from the back of the truck bed, and then it can also be rotated the other way so that you can create two separate zones in your truck bed to prevent things from moving. There's perforations on the surface, and it came with straps so that you can attach tools if you want it to, and it can also be used as a table, as you can see here. It also collapses, and it comes with a travel bag where you can store everything in there. The build quality also seems very good. It's an aluminum, so it should not rust, and it's quite lightweight. It's around 26 pounds, so it's not too heavy, and you can always collapse it and take it out of your truck bed if you decide that you don't want to carry that weight in the truck. In terms of suggestions or dislikes, it would have been nice if they could extend it about 7 or 8 more inches so that you have more usable space in the back, but I know why they didn't do it. It was to clear the wheel wells on the inside. It's also around $280, which is kind of pricey, but it's a lot cheaper than other ones on the market. Other than that, I don't have any complaints about this product. The Ford dealership sells a tailgate extender for the Maverick, and it's more oval shaped. It extends a bit longer to the end of the tailgate, but it's more narrow on the sides. What's good about this one is that it's more rectangular, so you have more usable space over here, but you don't go as far. The Ford one is also $369. This one's about $100 cheaper, and it could be cheaper with potential discounts. So check out the description section below for the latest pricing. If you guys are in the market for a tailgate extender for your Ford Maverick, you can check this one out. A link to the product is in the description section below with the latest pricing and potential discounts. Please like this video if you found it helpful. If you made it this far, leave a comment on what brought you to this video. Feel free to leave questions or comments in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and take care.